how to calculate number of moles of the substance कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है. सो मैं आपको बता दूं इसका फॉर्मूला. मास ऑफ सब्सटेंस इन ग्राम्स डिवाइडेड बाय molar mass of substance in grams per mole. This is how we calculate. Now, इसमें मैं आपको मोलर मास का कंसेप्ट क्लियर कर देता हूं. Now, what is molar mass? See, molar mass. See, suppose we have got CO2. CO2 one molecule, its mass is 44 U. CO2 one mole mass is 44 grams. 44 grams for 1 mole. So this is molar mass. Mass for 1 mole is molar mass. Mass for 1 mole is molar mass. One more formula I would like to teach you, and that is number of molecules. Number of molecules. See, how to calculate number of molecules? See, देखिए, in 1 mole we have 6.023 into 10 की power 23 this much molecules. In 1 mole, suppose CO2 का example लें, for carbon dioxide we have got this much molecule. In 1 mole we have this much molecules. So first of all, let us calculate number of moles. So number of moles is this is how we calculate number of moles. This is number of moles. See, we have learned that number of moles is mass of substance in 1 gram mass of substance in grams given divided by molar mass of substance in grams per mole. Molar mass of substance in gram per mole. This is how we calculate number of moles. So मान लीजिए इसमें आते हैं जो भी आएंगे, तो एक मोल में कितने होते हैं? एवोगैड्रो नंबर के बराबर. सो ये टोटल आ जाएंगे नंबर ऑफ मोल्स, नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स आ जाएंगे इस तरह से. लेट मी गिव यू मीन्स, मान लीजिए हमारे पास x मोल्स आए, x मोल्स कैलकुलेट किया हमने. सो 1 मोल में है 6.02 into 10 की पावर 23 molecules. So in x molecules we will have 6.023 into 10 raised to the power 23 into x this much molecules. Right now, so this is the concept. So let us try one example here. See, we have got 100 gram of magnesium, right? Its atomic mass is 24 U. This is atomic mass. So they have asked how many moles we have. Moles of magnesium atoms, right? So कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे इसको? How to calculate this? Mass divided by molar mass. Mass divided by molar mass. This is what we take. Mass of substance divided by molar mass of substance. So वो ये आ गया, right? So this will be the number of moles. So if you calculate this, this will come out to be 4.17 moles. See, हमेशा ये कंफ्यूजन रहेगा कि मॉलिक्यूल्स या मोल्स. मोल्स पूछेंगे तो मास अपॉन मॉलिक्यूलर मास, ओके, और मोलर मास. एंड नंबर ऑफ, अगर ये पूछते हैं कि नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स बताइए, नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ मैग्नीशियम एटम्स, if they have asked for number of atoms of magnesium, number of atoms पूछ रहे हैं, then you multiply this जो आंसर आया है by Avogadro number, that is 6.023 into 10⁻23. So this is the number of atoms of magnesium. This is the number of atoms, और अगर molecule है तो molecules और ions है तो ions, right? So this is how you are going to calculate. So this is 2.511 into 10⁻22 atoms of magnesium, right? So this is our site www.rnclassesonline.com. We can have one more question, that in 17 gram of H2O2 is given, right? So number of moles we have to calculate. See, molar mass, if you calculate molar mass or molecular mass, that is 34 in this case. So mass is given 17, molar mass is 34. So answer will be 0.5 moles. So this should be the answer. We have one more question. We have got 9 gram of water, right? Let me take 90 gram of water. We have 90 gram of water. So molecules we have to calculate. Molecules. How many molecules of water we have? Please calculate. So let us have a calculation of this. So mass upon molecular mass and number of molecules. So this should be the answer. You calculate this. Mass upon molecular mass is H2O. For H2O is 18. So this comes out to be 30.1 into 10⁻23 molecules. Better way for presentation is 3.01 into 10⁻24 molecules.